Hi guys, this is Tablet-News.com and we're here in Barcelona for the unveiling of the Huawei Watch GT5. We stumbled upon a tablet, a new tablet. It's the HUAWEI MatePad 12X. It's supposed to be a sort of mid-range tablet, but lo and behold, it comes with a very high refresh rate, 144 Hz. It's a HarmonyOS device, which strays further and further from Android, getting linked to the kernel. Has 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and a pretty high resolution. The panel is LCD, not OLED like we have on the new MatePad Pro. As you can see, the reflections are not very bad because Huawei applied the paper mate technology once again, like the Pro models. Okay, so this tablet here has a metal body, which is pretty slim, below 6 mm. The battery is quite large, 10,100 mAh. And the weight is around 600 grams, but maybe less. It has 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, and it comes to a keyboard, which you can see here. By the way, it's bundled. The price is around 569 euros, and in spite of the price, you're still getting the tablet and the keyboard. They want to replicate the experience of having a laptop, but strangely enough, this one lacks a trackpad. And we also have a stylus with near-link technology, which means almost instant conversion of your writing and drawing to paper. Okay, other things about the device. So we have a dual back camera and also front camera good enough for video calls. As far as the stereo systems goes, we have quad speakers on board, and if we have the 144 Hz refresh rate, it means we're supposed to do some serious gaming. Okay, so more details here. 13 megapixel main camera at the back, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a similar front camera for video calls and selfies. 555 grams, 5.9 millimeters, and it has 6 speakers, not 4. 2 microphones and a special Huawei sound technology. This one has an LCD panel at around 12 inches with up to 1000 nits of brightness. Okay, so you can see here the widgets in HarmonyOS, which remind me of the ones of Emotion UI applied on top of Android. We have YouTube, we have Gbox here, which basically triggers the Google services and Google applications, including Gmail, Google Maps, and more. Okay, so this is our sister site, Mobilissimo, with a lot of news about the Huawei Watch GT5, but don't forget to access Tablet-News.com. The secret of the new Huawei tablets is the Go Paint application, with a lot of brushes and a lot of layers, much like Photoshop. This is a new pencil. It's the Huawei M Pencil 3rd generation with a sprinkling option available as well, so you can use it like you're throwing paint on the screen, a special new gesture, so you can also do visual input without touching the screen. The experience is supposed to be like pen on paper, instant, thanks to Near-Link. Near-Link is not exactly NFC, not exactly Bluetooth, it's something else. We have a tutorial here that lets you learn how to select a brush, how to fill in colors, how to auto make shapes. So if you create a shape and keep it pressed on the screen, you can instantly create a circle, a square, and more. We're still learning how to use this tablet here. Once again, this is the more affordable version. The MatePad 12X, the Pro one, is pricier, goes to 1000 euros. This one around 500, 600. It will have a strong competition from the Honor Magic Pad tablet, which goes to 569 euros and has an OLED screen. But the public is more familiar to Huawei tablets, Samsung tablets, rather than Honor ones, which are just starting now. So we're tracing fine grain of sands around the tablet here. It's obviously a device for creatives, and by the way, the Go Paint application is available for free in the Huawei app gallery, and I find this surprising because it has layers and more. So it's a way to express creativity for 569 euros, and yeah, will be interesting to handle. It will be interesting to see it do battle with the Honor tablet. Okay, we'll be back with more details pretty soon. This is it from us. Goodbye.